Hello everyone. We're continuing with our Launchpad video series. In this video, we'll be examining the Enjinstarter Launchpad platform. Let's get started. Enjinstarter typically ranks among the top launchpads in terms of earnings on the CryptoRank site. According to this table, Enjinstarter conducted 22 IDOs in the year 2023, which roughly equates to about 2 IDOs per month. Let's take a look at past IDOs on Enjinstarter. You're seeing the statistics of the recent IDOs. ROI indicates the ratio of the token's current price to the sale price. 88th represents the token's maximum surge, showing how much the token values have increased. If I want to view this list according to ROI, it will show me the highest values. Alright, ChainGPT is at the top. Its current price is 16 times Enjinstarter's sale price. You can use this table as you wish to view the statistics. The current price of Enjinstarter is $0.0114. Let's visit the site now. Enjinstarter has prepared a guide for those who wish to participate in IDOs. This guide consists of 6 steps: authentication, Enjinstarter purchase, staking, registration, checkout, and final purchase stages. When the time for IDO comes, I will show and explain all of these steps to you. But for now, I'd like to show you the tier levels. In this table, you can see the tier levels. If you wish, you can participate in the pre-sale by purchasing 1,250 Enjinstarter tokens, but it won't guarantee your purchase. If you want a guaranteed purchase, you must buy at least 25,001 Enjinstarter tokens. Based on the current price of Enjinstarter, being at the universe level requires approximately $275. You should decide based on these tier levels. After selecting a level, you'll need to choose a stake duration. For instance, if you choose the universe level, you can see pool weights based on stake duration and make your stake duration selection accordingly. The purchase rights mentioned below are hypothetical values. There's one more table you need to pay attention to. This table shows whether you can participate in special rounds based on your chosen tier level and stake duration. To not miss any privileges, you should be at the Multiverse level, which requires approximately $5,700. This is the maximum level. The minimum guaranteed purchase level is valued at $275. This Medium article answers many questions. I recommend you review it. When I participate in the IDO, I'll explain all stages in detail. I've conducted a brief review for you to gain insight into the Enjinstarter Launchpad. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.